is a flexible platform for high-throughput cell therapy quality control, which automates the vast majority of assays for in-process QC and release testing. It enables the auto-generation of electronic batch records for thousands of cell therapy doses per year. The platform integrates a best-in-class liquid handler, a robotic plate handler, and many off-the-shelf QC instruments such as a cell counter, a flow cytometer, a centrifuge, a plate reader, an incubator, and PCR systems. Standardized pre-qualified CellQ assays accelerate the analytical transfer of customer processes into the Cellares IDMO ecosystem. The modular cart design allows the platform to be expanded with new instruments and assays to customize workflows for IDMO clients. Modular carts also enable rapid interchange of pre-qualified instruments, thus minimizing system downtime. The CellQ is a key IDMO technology, enabling unparalleled throughput, lower batch prices, faster tech transfer, and higher quality. Each CellQ can perform release testing for thousands of cell therapy doses per year. While the Cell Shuttle removes the manufacturing bottleneck, the CellQ removes the QC bottleneck faced by conventional CDMOs. Integrating the Cell Shuttle and the CellQ results in unprecedented scalability. This enables Cellares IDMO to produce 10 times more cell therapies than a conventional CDMO, with the same facility size and the same workforce. Automation increases the reproducibility of assays and decreases the risk of operator errors. The QC workflow begins when samples are unloaded from the Cell Shuttle and transferred to the CellQ feed-through. Sample containers, barcodes are scanned to identify batch ID and required QC assays. Additionally, barcode tracking ensures that chain of custody and chain of identity are maintained throughout. Sample containers are uncapped, and samples are transferred into assay plates as required by the software-defined QC protocol. Sample prep begins with measurements of cell count and viability to determine parameters and acceptance criteria needed for downstream assays. The robotic plate handler then transfers plates to instruments for analysis. As QC data is generated, it flows into Cellares integrated data layer, which enables real-time process monitoring and the automatic generation of electronic batch records. Please reach out to bd@cellares.com to discuss how your cell therapy process can be transferred to Cellares IDMO for CGMP manufacturing.